Hello viewers, makan aji yade Toyota Secretariat Road Kohima de aigina ase, makan yade press conference ekta karne aina ase, aro itu sal bi Toyota Kando 25th anniversary of Hornbill Festival itu lade tan partnership kurigina ase kuishe, to itu la opore press conference tiki koi itu la detail olop sai sawa.
Good morning everyone. Thank you for responding to our invitation. This is K. Okuda, Regional Manager from the TKM. She's Ropazana Wisso. We are delighted to announce that Toyota will be once again presenting the Hornbill Music Festival 2022, this year's 25th edition. Toyota has been the presenter of the Hornbill Music Festival since 2022, and this year will be Toyota's third year as the presenter. Under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, Niphyu Rio, and carrying out his efforts and dreams for our Naga youths, our Abu Meta, advisor to the Honorable Chief Minister, his effort to promote Naga youth has been unparalleled. Teja Miru, Chairman Tafma, and his team has taken and promoted our Naga musicians, participated in various stages, platforms, and categories across the world. And not forgetting Imna Along, Honorable Minister of Tourism, who is equally talented, visionary, and the department officials of tourism for their broad-minded, inclusive, and accommodative approach, all put together has privileged the Toyota to sponsor a permanent structure at Kisama, Naga Heritage Village, marking its 25th edition. This facility should not be looked at from the business per se alone. Toyota will be managing this setup along with Tafma respectively. This space will therefore act as a place to further promote talent of our youths throughout the year. We are also delighted to make our second announcement. The ambassador for Toyota Hornbill Music Festival 2024, Miss Ropazana Wisso. She is beautiful, talented, intelligent, and is one of the most popular youth icon today. A Naga beauty queen, fourth runner-up of the Miss Universe India 2024. Toyota chose her because she embodies the dream and aspiration of the Naga youth today. Toyota is taking an active role in promoting the talent of Naga youth, especially in music, because we believe God has given special talent to Naga people in the field of music. I will stop for now and will let Ropo come in.
Hi, this is Ropazana Wisso, and it is an absolute pleasure for me to be the ambassador for Toyota Hornbill Music Festival. When I think about how music is such an important instrument in connecting people from one end of the earth to the other, from Japan to Kohima, Nagaland, how it has brought people who would never have actually met to such a beautiful festival. It is such a rare occurrence that all of us are sitting here together. And as we look forward to the 25th Hornbill Music Festival, I can't wait to see the magic that the festival will bring, the amazing people that we will be meeting, the talents, the music. It is so exciting, and as the brand ambassador, I am more excited than anyone. And please look forward to it because we have so many exciting things prepared.
Through this sponsorship or partnership that you're going to do with the Hornbill Festival, what are you able to generate from the partnership and sponsorship that you're doing?
No, our main idea, as I've mentioned here, is to promote the Naga youth. in the field of, particularly in the field of music. And I think towards that, we are quite satisfied. We are not looking, as I mentioned earlier, we're not looking at a business per se alone, but we want to really promote our Naga youth in the field of music.
Are you going to offer any prizes or packages for artists?
Not individually like that, but we do contribute some amount to DAFMA for being a partner for the music festival.
Any idea how many bands are? Any idea how many bands are coming from this?
I'm not updated yet about the band, but I think this year the free coming up band, I think it's slightly changed. They had this, what is that?
Ticket to Hornbill?
Ticket to Hornbill. This year I think there is some changes, like, so from the ticket to Hornbill, I think those who would be participating has already been selected, I think. So each and every night, beginning from the second till the end, there are exciting bands who would be performing, I think, in queue.
I'm Rafajana Huiso, and it makes me so delighted to announce that I will be the ambassador for the Toyota Hornbill Music Festival. When we think about how music is such a powerful tool, it helped connect people from across the world. And this year, in the month of December, we see how music has connected Japan to Kohima, Nagaland from northeast of India. And it's so powerful that it has brought people from across the world and it has connected hearts. It is truly a beautiful marvel to see, and as we look forward to the 25th year of the Toyota Hornbill Music Festival, where there will be music, there will be cultures diverging and uniting in one place. I am very much excited and looking forward to all that Toyota and the government of Nagaland has prepared for the youths of Nagaland, for the people, the guests who will be coming from across the world, and please look forward to the surprises as well. Thank you.
To ami anbra press conference to hunibo pa nishna itu sal jun to 25th anniversary hobo Hornbill Festival karne Toyota bi itu sal jun hobo third time partner kuri ase kina jani paise aro itu sal laga Toyota laga brand ambassador ase Rufusano Wiso jun ami an sopra jana nishna fourth runner up of Miss Universe India 2024 ase aro Toyota wa kwa nishna tai khan bra itu business venture nishna kla promote kora no hoy holbi tai khan bra Naga youth khan in the field of music te modot krina help krole nimide tai khan partnership kuri ase kuise aro ami anso prajanya nishna DAFMA kan bra Hornbill Music Festival host korea nishna itu laga dibi Toyota khan ma amount olop to tai kan bra partnership kurigina ds guna bi jani paise to itia karne itu ase. For more news and updates, keep watching Global Window. This is Nufo Iyer with video journalist Ari Jinger reporting from Kohima.
Emporium Skill Training Institute presents a special opportunity, Barista Training Session, brought to you by Koikis. Experience the art of coffee making from the experts. From grinding the beans to mastering the perfect espresso shot, Koikis is here to teach you every step. At Emporium, we don't just train, we transform careers. And with Koikis by our side, our students are ready to impress. Emporium Skill Training Institute, empowering the future of hospitality. In partnership with Koikis Coffee, where every cup tells a story.